Hey guys, it's Mary. I wanted to do a first impressions video on the Olaplex No. 4 and No. 5 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. If you follow me on Instagram, YouTube, my blog, you probably know I am obsessed with the No. 3 Hair Perfector. This is the treatment that you take home. I use this every single week religiously. I did a whole video about why I love this in details. I will post that below if you want to check it out. And then also the No. 1 and No. 2, which are in this box. I should take them out of the box to show you what I'm talking about. But this is the No. 2, No. 1. This is the stronger version that only salon professionals can get, but I have a friend that's a salon professional that gets it for me. I do the strong version once a month, and then I do No. 3 every single week as a pre-poo treatment. And they've been such an important part in helping my hair just bounce back from the damage that happened years ago, help it grow long, strong, healthy, and really make a big difference in my curls. So as soon as Olaplex released a shampoo and conditioner, I knew I wanted to try it. I actually bought these back in August with Sephora's surprise sale that happened then. I didn't try them right away because I was using another shampoo and conditioner that I had to use until the end of October, but I wanted to try them. And if you know me, you know I usually do try to follow the curly girl method as much as possible. Sulfate-free, silicone-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, and these do have a silicone in them, but I use them anyway. And I actually reached out to Olaplex. They have a live chat on their site, and I said, hey, you know, I usually like to use silicone-free products. You know, No. 3 and 1 and 2, it's silicone-free. Why is there a silicone in your shampoo and conditioner? And there's a quote, and this is what they said. I'm going to read it, so if you see me off to the side, it says that the silicone that they use in No. 4 and No. 5, I'm not going to try to pronounce it, it's on my blog, but it's a water-soluble, and it doesn't build up. It's more pricey, lightweight, and doesn't build up like a traditional back-in-the-day silicone. And they added it to the formula for shine, softness, and moisture retention. So, I mean, at least it's a water-soluble silicone. I do use a sulfate-free clarifying shampoo once or twice a month. But you know what, guys? Let me tell you, for the results. So I'm saying it's a first impressions, but I've used this for 3 washes so far. If you'd like to see my first 2 washes along with this, I did a detailed blog post last week with 5 hair of the days, including the 2 washes, my first and second time using it. Tons of pictures, more information, check them out. This today is my 3rd wash. This is actually second day hair. How would I say it like that? But I washed my hair yesterday. Then I did a vigorous workout this morning, dry shampooed it and put cream in, and this is day 2. I was out in the wind for a while today, so it held up well, but so for second day hair, I'm liking it a lot. Really loving the consistency, the definition, the bounce. You know what? Let me show you my first day, like the first time I washed with it. I gotta pull it up on Instagram. If you don't know me, I do not edit my videos. I don't insert pictures. I don't know, it's not my thing. But this was my first wash with it. It's a little exposed because it's on camera, but the bounce, it's amazing. And I've used it with and without using No. 3 as a pre-poo, and I've got really great results each way. The thing I noticed the most so far is that the bounce and definition, even on second day, 3rd day hair, 4th day hair, I actually almost got once, but I messed it up myself, like underneath these. These I'm still recovering, but like this outside. Look at that definition. Again, second day hair. Shine, frizz has been kept to a minimum, and it's just overall, I feel like my hair is looking healthier. So what does it say? It just says on the back of them that they're made to restore, repair, and hydrate, and also add incredible shine and manageability every time you shampoo. And then the conditioner is supposed to restore, repair, hydrate without adding excess weight, eliminates damage and frizz. But I had a feeling I was going to like them, but I'm like obsessed at 3rd use. Something else about them, you need so little product. No. 4, and it is a sulfate-free shampoo, you literally need less than the size of a pea. So this is 8.5 fluid ounces. You know how long this bottle is going to last? That in fact I need so little. Use a little amount, and it lathers really beautifully, which surprised me because of how little I used. But it lathered, felt nice, felt soft. When I rinsed my hair, I still felt like I needed to use conditioner, but my hair didn't feel stiff or like squeaky clean, you know. It felt really good. And even my wet hair, like when I wrung out the excess water before applying the conditioner, looked really shiny. The conditioner, you need so little of, and this shocked me more, because usually with conditioners, even when they say you need so little conditioner, my hair is so dry and frizzy and high porosity, I always need to use a lot. I need to use more conditioner than the shampoo. I mean, that is what it is. But compared to how I use most conditioners, I need to use significantly less. This is a conditioner I used 3 times. I don't know if you could see. I did use it over masks. I haven't tried the conditioner alone yet. I want to, but I haven't yet. But that's how much it's like. Usually other conditioners, that would be like not even 1 use. Are you kidding me? It's so rich and so thick, but my hair absorbs it, rinse it, my hair's soft, my hair is shiny. Really liking it so far, so I'm going to continue to use them every wash for a while. Sometimes if my scalp doesn't feel as like desperately in need of a lathering shampoo, I will use a co-wash to coat the lens, and then I will go in with the shampoo on the scalp especially and just let it go over the co-wash. I don't know, it's just a thing I do. Definitely want to try the conditioner on its own without a mask to see what happens too. I want to try it as a leave-in, but first impressions, 3 uses in, and so far so good. Check out the blog post to see more of the pictures, more of the information. Again, this is second day hair, my 3rd time using it. I'm going to check back in. I'm going to use it for at least a month. So I'll check back in and give a more thorough review and update after a few weeks. But if you've been curious about these, I'm impressed. They got me to use a shampoo and conditioner with silicone, which I haven't even tried in I don't know how long. But yeah, if you like my reviews, if you like my videos, thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Please remember to be nice. I also want to research more just about water-soluble silicones and educate myself as well. But I'm not looking for anyone to be like, oh, well, you were CG, or oh, well, you said silicones, blah, 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 whatever. I mean, guys, when it comes down to it, it's hair products. If you use a hair product and it makes your hair look good, it's really what matters in the end. So I always say I'm not a professional stylist. Never claim to be. But yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye.